exchange on less than 10%?
So the minimum deposit a customer requires is 8%.
8%.
That's
okay.
right. That's if you're just an ordinary person that's previously purchased before, or you're an investor.
What about a first home buyer?
A first homeowner with these great federal government schemes can get in with as low as 5%. And if you're a single mum or in a special category, you can get in as low as 2%.
2%?
Yeah, it's amazing.
For a single mum?
Correct.
That's great news, isn't it? Because
Yeah,
a
really
lot of
good.
people out there think, I'll never get into the market, I don't have enough money. So what is this special grant for these people?
Well, it's a competitive grant, so it's a first in, best dressed type of offer, but it's been going now for a number of years, and so there's only a certain number of banks that offer this particular scheme as well. So again, it's very important that you sit with a broker, because the broker can sit down and tell you what your options are and the schemes that are available to you.
What would you have to not apply, but to even put an application for this sort of loan?
So if you're a single parent, for example, you do need to be an Australian citizen.
Yeah.
You need to show that you're in permanent and full-time work, or even commissioned work, but you do need to, obviously the things that are going to affect how much you can borrow will be your income and your expenses and liabilities, and all those will form part of how much you're potentially able to borrow. But again, as long as you have 2%, then it is possible that you can get into a $500,000-$600,000 property.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
I've never heard of that. I think that's wonderful, and I don't think many people would have heard of it or even know about it.
No, that's right. That's right.